Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hey, happy Friday, y'all. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Let's go. Let me straighten up. Hey, we back, man. Good morning to everybody. Good morning. All right, let's see. Market opens up in approximately what 27 more minutes. All right, y'all. Let me do a little quick charting real quick. Quick charting. Know what? No, hold up first. I gotta spread that word first. Give me a second. Let me spread that word first. Let me put these images up. B1. You know we gotta spread that word. Spread that word. All right, got that up first. Hold on, I'm gonna put it to the side because see I can see this better. Hey, welcome in. I should have had put this up first before I got on. But there be so much stuff, you know, when you're streaming, there's so much stuff that goes into this. Why am I lagging? I am lagging like crazy. Give me a second, y'all. See what I'm lagging for. All right, got that word up. One more. Hey, if it lags like this more, if it lag, let me see. If I lag more, I'm gonna have to restart the stream. I'm gonna restart the stream. If I lag like this more, I'm gonna have to restart the stream because I'm not liking this lag. It almost like every time I press a button, it's not working. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. If we lag more, I'm gonna have to reset this stream because I'm not liking what's happening right now. What is going on? Okay. Got that word up. Bam. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see. All right. All right, we back. Just a little light. Let's go. All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome. Pin this comment. All right, there we go. Welcome back, everybody. Look, start this morning off. I'm gonna have to start this morning off right with some words. So look, we're gonna put on that full armor of God today, okay? Put on that full armor of God today, guys. It's a must. All right, full armor of God. Make sure that you're equipping yourself with the helmet of salvation to guard your mind, the breastplate of righteousness to protect your heart from any evil, guys. Protect your heart. The shield of faith to defend against the attack of the enemy. The sword of the Spirit, okay, which is the word of God, okay? The shoes of peace to stand firm in your calling, okay? Preparing not just for the start of the day, but to confront the evils they may derail off our path, okay? You're into stocks now? Nah, I'm into trading futures. We're into futures, bro. All right, Ephesians 2, verse 8. Ephesians 2, verse 8. For it is by grace you have been saved through faith, and this is not from yourselves. So you're not saved by yourselves and your own work. You're saved by grace through faith, okay? It is a gift of God, not by works that anyone can boast. For we are God's handiwork, created in Christ Jesus to do the good works, which God prepared in advance for us to do. So remember this, guys. You are saved by grace through faith. So you have to have continual faith in God. And his grace is a free gift, you know? Remember that also, guys. We also have another scripture up. Let me get that real quick. Also, Hebrews 4, for the word of God is alive. It is alive and active, sharper than any double-edged sword. It penetrates even to dividing souls and spirit, joints and marrow. It judges the thoughts and the attitudes of the heart. Nothing in all creation is hidden from God's sight. So no matter what is seen, no matter what is done in the heavens or on the earth, it is not hidden from God. He can see it all. Everything is uncovered and laid before the eyes of him to whom he must give account. So no matter what happens on earth and in heaven, everything has to be accounted for through the Lord, okay? Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. God bless. I pray for protection over y'all, the full armor of God among y'all. Let's get it. Back to the charts. Let's go. All right, so let's start from a daily. Man, I haven't done no charting just yet, y'all. So we're going to start from a daily. Let's see what we got. Boom, boom, boom. Where's my daily candle at? Here we go. Previous day low on the previous day candle. I need to put a previous day high on this candle. That's a little too crazy. Let me change that. Boom, to the right side. Boom. All right, so previous day low and previous day high is set. So from this point, it looks like we didn't pass this point. I don't know. This is a long candle. Don't get me wrong. Yesterday was this is a green long candle. We could see a potential bounce to continue long, but we didn't pass this point. So that's alarming. We could continue to go long, which is my bias is to look for a retest and a retracement to go long. But we still didn't pass this high. Y'all see this high? We didn't pass this high yesterday. We didn't even close past this high yesterday. So this can be a continuation down to the shorts, and then maybe the next day we might go, or the next week we might go long. But from the looks of it, I think we're gonna pump higher, guys. That's my prediction, my opinion, okay? So that's on the daily. I think we're gonna retest and go higher. Market opens up in 25 minutes or 20 minutes. We jump it down to a 4 hour, Ooh, we have a lot of liquidity sitting right here, guys. A lot of imbalance. Look at all this imbalance right here. Y'all see this imbalance? Look at all of this. We have liquidity right here, line right here. We have imbalance right here. Look at all of this, man. We gotta tap into all that. We gotta get that bread, okay? All right, boom. So we got all that sitting right there. So we're gonna retest. Should I take the short? Should I take the short now before market open and go for that liquidity, or should I just wait for a retest and bounce? We could take both. So we're gonna sit on hands and keep on charting, okay? We do have a level right here. Look at this level. We have a bounce right here. I like this little point right here. So I'm gonna put a little red marker right here, make it double. Right there, boom. Can y'all see that? So we charting right now, y'all. We charting right now. Let's go. I'm a little laggy, but it's okay. I'm gonna see if I'm lagging more. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Alex? Wow, I haven't seen you in a long time. Hey, Kira. Yes, all about God. Got to be. I ain't gonna say I'm crazy religious, but hey, I gotta spread that word. Cause you know, many are called, few are chosen, you know? I feel like this is the right thing to do. If I'm gonna do everything, I'm gonna have to do it with God. I have to. I feel like I can't do this on my own. Hey man, it's good seeing y'all all in the chat. All right, let's get back to it. Market opens up in 19 more minutes. So like I said, we have a lot of imbalance below. So let me set these zones. 4 hour fair value gap right here. Probably could possibly bounce right here. Boom. Oh shoot, hold up. Let's put this fair value gap. Oh, also, I forgot to mention. Hey, today we may not go all the way long. Today we might just feel this imbalance right here. See this imbalance right here? Y'all see that? Y'all see that imbalance? We haven't felt that yet. So we could possibly I see two ways of what's happening. We're gonna either have I think, in my opinion, we might have a bounce right here and go long, or we might have a breakthrough and feel this imbalance right here and go short or go long. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see. We're just gonna set our zones, see how the market respect our zones, and then we're gonna take our trades. Pretty simple. We're not gonna overthink it. We're not gonna overdo any indicators or anything like that. All right. All right, so this is a 4-hour fair value gap right here. Put that 4-hour, guys. Let's go. 4-hour fair value gap. All right, let's drop down. Actually, we also have a 4-hour. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. We got a 4-hour demand zone right here. Demand zone. Four-hour demand zone right here, guys. 4-hour. Setting these zones before we trade. We gotta chart these markets. Okay, we gotta chart. That's how you prepare for these markets. You gotta chart. Ooh, 1 hour above our heads. If we continue to go short, really tiny 1 hour with some imbalance right here, but we filled it already. 1 hour fair value gap right here above our heads. 1 hour fair value gap. Boom, bop, bam. Right there above our heads. All right, so look, we have a 4-hour below, a 4 hours demand zone below. We also have a 1 hour fair value gap above. So we're gonna see, and we're gonna see how we respect, and that's how we're gonna take our trades. Okay, on the 30-minute, we didn't break this block right here. Huh. All right, we're gonna wait till market open to get our trade in, y'all. Let me look down, let me go down. See if we got anything else. What else do we have? What else do we have? Like I said, we have this imbalance we have to fill right here. See? Imbalance right here. We didn't fill on the 22nd. Let's go. All right, let's get back to it. Market opens up in 15 more minutes, y'all. Remember, we don't take trades when the market just open. I might wait like 3 to 5 minutes and then I'm gonna take my trade. 3 to 5. Oh, you can't hear me? Do I got my microphone on? Okay, make a show. Damn, I was tripping. I don't know why I thought I wasn't talking. Y'all couldn't hear me. Let's go. Let me change that. That's getting kind of old. Put some light on here. There we go. All right, y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yo, can you analyze Bitcoin? Analyze Bitcoin? Let me see. Nah, I analyze Nasdaq, man. Bitcoin right now? Nah. I only trade commodities over here, like Nasdaq and ES. I mean, I would on my own time, but I'm only charting this one. This is the only chart on my trade, and I don't wanna mix up my following on what I'm trading. All right, y'all. So we in range. As y'all can see, we in range right now. I already set my couple of zones. Like I said, we have a 1 hour one hour fair value gap above our heads, a 4-hour fair below, a 4-hour demand below. So my bias of the day. Let's look at the daily one more time. As y'all can see, we constantly pump. We're going higher and higher, right? So my bias for the day is either we're gonna bounce in this area at the 4-hour fair value gap and take the longs. And if we disrespect that 4-hour fair value gap and go short, we're taking a short to fill in the balance below. See that balance below? No problem. Hey man, stick around, man. We're just gonna trade. Like I said before, guys, we might bounce at this area when market open. If we come down and we respect this area, I'm going long. If we disrespect this area and start breaking through all of these zones, I'm going short then fill the balance right here. Pretty simple. That's all I'm doing. Ooh, we also have a 4-hour demand zone right here, just in case we just keep going short, just to fill in some more, to get some more fills. Let's see. Boom. Let's go. 4 hours. 4-hour demand zone right here at the bottom, just to set our zones, just to see if we might bounce at a certain level to take profits or to, you know, have stops. Boom. Let's go. All right, got a few zones set. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, y'all. Couple of zones set. Also have a 1 hour right here. Let me set that. Make that white. So and put 1 hour. Just in case we just bounce. What if we tap it, you know? Come on, computer. 1 hour. And I don't want to put too many boxes because it's going to just overlap each other too much. All right, let's see. Can we possibly bounce? Can we push into this 1 hour fair value gap above our heads and maybe find a short? Could this be turtle soup? You know, could we be, since we didn't close, since yesterday we didn't close above this high. You see this high right here, we didn't close above this high. Can we maybe push down for some more shorts and find some more liquidity? You know what I'm saying? Can we come back down all the way down to fill this imbalance? We're gonna see. It's Friday, so you remember Friday, you gotta take it easy. Market opens up in 12 more minutes, and we don't take a trade until the first 5 minutes of the market open. Ooh. I mean, also even past this point right here, we got a 4 hour above our heads too. We see that? We also have a 4 hour above our heads. We didn't even tap into that. Let me go in. What is my computer? Come on, computer. Let's go. All right, so we do have a 4 hour supply zone above our heads that we didn't even tap into. Like I said, we could possibly bounce. Look, my opinion is we could possibly bounce right here in this area and go long and tap into this 4 hour and then reject. Or we might just come down, respect these zones, and fill in this imbalance automatically. You see what I'm saying? That's my two, right? Let me go ahead and set some lines so you can see what I'm saying. Bounce right here, bing, and bazam. That's what I'm thinking. That's my thoughts. Or, hear me out. Crazy, where's Alicia? And she left. She left Leo the kid. She left. Or we can break through this and fill this imbalance. You feel what I'm saying? So that's my two ways. Bing bop or bing bam. Alright. This is my area of interest right here. Alright, y'all. Let's go. Take these off. Market opens up in 9 more minutes. We don't take a trade until the first 5 minutes of the market open. Let's get it. Look happy. Y'all gotta be happy, man. God bless. All right. Let's go. Market opens up in 7 more minutes, y'all. So I don't really see. Let me drop down to some more time frames and see if we have any more zones. I don't want to add too much because I don't want to start getting too sidetracked on, you know, on where we might go. Add my smiley man. Yo, this stuff is getting a little eccentric. Excuse me. I'm still confused on the new content, but I'm getting used to it. But you be live hella early. Yeah, I trade the markets in the morning. That's what I do now. I don't do like pranks on this channel. I don't do like reactions on the channel no more. I just trade. Moving forward. That's what we doing, moving forward. And we spread that word. That's what we do. Why are you lagging? Alright, so I put an extra little point just in case we bounce at this area. We're gonna see. Alright, y'all, let me go back to a 1 hour. For everybody that's in here. Alright, we're waiting for market open. Market opens up in 5 more minutes. And also, we gotta check. Do we have any news? Do we have any news? Not really. Consumer settlements at 9 o'clock? Consumer settlements at 9 o'clock? Okay. Okay, that's not bad. I mean, alright. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Alright, y'all. So we're right here. We had our zone set, so we're gonna see where the market goes. Drop down to a smaller time frame to kind of get more in depth where we might go. Is that a 5 minute? Nah, we already tapped into that. Boom. See how we respect some of these areas? Okay. Okay. Alright, this is what we're playing at right here. See if I'm lagging still. I think we good. I think we pretty good. We are pretty good. I want to put up a little verse before the market opens, guys. Remember, for we are saved by grace through faith, not from our own works. Ephesians 2, verse 8. We are saved by grace through faith, not by our own works, so that we can't boast that we are, saved and stuff. And remember, we are God's handiwork created in Christ Jesus. So remember, give everything to God. All right? For the word of God is alive and sharper than any double-edged sword. It is active. Remember that, guys. Use the word of God. It is strong. It is mighty. It's powerful. And it's alive. So make sure y'all using his word. Okay? Always, guys. Remember that. Give it to God. Everything that you do, give it to God. Let's go. Let's go. Market opens up in 4 more minutes, y'all. Let's get it. We already have our zone set. So we're going to see where this market may go. We are moving sideways. We are in range. We are in range. We do have an imbalance below that we can fill. I have a 1 hour fair value gap that I might think we might bounce off of. So I'm going to have to look at the 5 minute to see if we can get any true confirmation on that rejection. If we don't get a rejection, which I mean we probably will, because we still have an imbalance to fill. Look at this imbalance. We still have a lot of imbalance to fill. See? All that green. But but we don't have to do that, We can possibly still go long. But we're going to see. See what this market tell us. Put up my little man right there. Look happy. Let's go. Market opens up in almost 2.5 more minutes, y'all. All right, we all pushing higher. When we are in range, are we creating a? Let me get him off the screen. Are we creating a? Are we creating a? Let's see. Hey, Spy Puppy, what's up, man? How's it going? You gotta have happiness, you know? Gotta stay happy, man. It's Friday, guys. I hope y'all really having a good day today. I really pray that y'all have a great day. Y'all try to enjoy y'all day with no stress, no worry, okay? God bless y'all. Pray for blessings over y'all. Market opens up in literally a minute and 10 seconds. Let's go. And we are in range. No true breakout just yet, guys. So let me see. Move out the way, man. All right, let's see. Look at the 4-hour. Are we bouncing at this point? Might have to take them off the screen. It doesn't feel like Friday. It feels more like a Wednesday or Thursday. Really? Hey, you know what? I think you're right. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna lie to you. I really think it feels like a Thursday, cause they almost feel like we have an extra day. Like it really does feel like that. Ooh, let's see. Are we bouncing at this point? Set a zone to see. Yeah, I think we can go low. I think we can go shorter. Especially already breaking through that. Ooh, we're pushing into that 1 hour, y'all. We're pushing into that 1 hour. See if we're gonna get a rejection. We have, okay, 30 minutes on that 1 hour, 30 minutes on that 4-hour. So all candles will print in 30 minutes. All candles will print in 30 minutes. Market is open. Market is open. Let's go. Oh, and I don't have no chart. What am I doing? I don't have no dom. I mean, no positions. What am I doing? Hold up. Hold up. Your boy is tripping. My bad, y'all. My bad. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I just realized it for a second. Like, I don't have nothing on. I am tripping. All right, let's go. Here we go. Let me fix this. My bad, y'all. There we go. All right, we set. We set. Let's go. Rejection? Wow, I'm not even seeing the candles. I'm gonna try a short. 1 micro short. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, wait, I'm in the wrong one. You know what? I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it. I didn't mean to get into ES. That's crazy. Why am I in ES? Hold on. Wait a minute. What? Bro, what's going on? What is going on? Why is my computer doing this? All right, there we go. 1 micro short. Gauge in the market. There we go. Let's go. I'm gonna put a stop above this high. Not a put a stop for $84. Just gauging the market, y'all. Just in case we do like just plummet to the ground. All right. One micro, not too bad. I'll take that down. Nice rejection though. Can I get a rejection right here? If we don't put, I'm gonna put my stop above the highs for 100. We might go up higher to fill some more liquidity, honestly. Yeah, that's a strong green candle. I'm gonna let it hit my stop. Because I gotta respect the trade. Remember, always respect the trade. Look at a 5 minute. All right, down how many? $100. We're down $100. Let's see what happens right here. Are we gonna push higher? I think we are. To fill in maybe this imbalance right here. We're gonna see. My favorite prank of all time. My favorite prank of all time was when Alicia thought you were selling when you had flour. Oh my goodness, you crazy. That was a funny one. I ain't gonna lie. That was a funny one. Let's go. We're down $100, y'all, on the day. See if we get any type of rejection right here. And if not, we might push higher. Wow. Hey, what's up? What's up, Chris? How's it going, bro? Bro, we are lagging terribly bad. All right, what are we gonna do at this 1 hour fair value gap? Are we gonna push higher? I'm gonna try for a long. I like how we're respecting that. Let me put a stop below this point for $40. Damn, we just rejected that fast? All right, we are moving sideways, guys. We're moving sideways. Could this be a rejection point? You don't want to add too much in this point because we could be rejecting. We are in the key level, y'all. We in one long, one micro long and down 100. All right, this is a key level, y'all. So we could be rejection. We could be having a strong rejection. This could be smart money contract for real for the shorts. Let's see. 4 more minutes left. Let me see. 4 more minutes left until the 15-minute prints. What is everybody doing tonight and for the weekend? Yeah, what y'all got going on for the weekend, y'all? Is this a rejection? We're gonna see. All right, stopped out for $50, so we're down 150. Could this be a short? Let me try one. Let me see. Let me get rid of this. Three minutes left until this 15-minute candle prints. I remember your rap videos. Remember, it's Friday. We gotta take our time, guys. We gotta take our time. Nothing too crazy. Let's try a short. Let's try a short. If we don't bounce, actually, I'm tripping. Actually, you know what? You know what? Yeah, we're gonna try. If the short doesn't play out, then it is what it is. But I'm trying to scalp down so I can go to the Hold up. Why is he doing that? Put my stop below. There we go. I just put my stop. There we go. I'm about to say, what is going on? This market is trippy. All right, there we go. I see a rejection on the 5-minute. I like the rejection. Can this be a short all the way down? We're gonna see. But we do have 2 more minutes until this 15-minute candle prints. And I could probably see a rejection going down all the way to the shorts. So we're gonna see, guys. Let's go. I gotta see if there's any points that I might be missing. I gotta see. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go. We gotta break this level. We don't need to bounce. We can't bounce at this level. We gotta break this. I mean, literally now. If we don't break this, I think we want to go right back up to the longs. I'm gonna take out right now. All right, so down 118, just in case we do a strong retest back up to the highs. Let's go. Just down 118, just took back 30-some profits, $30 profits. So we just gauging the markets until I really see some strong sellers. I need to see strong sellers. This is a key level, y'all. Are the sellers coming in? Let's see. I don't know. Check the 30-minute. Check the 1 hour. Oh shoot. Rejection up at this point right here. This could be a short play. We're gonna see. They also created another fair value gap above our heads, which is another one right here. All right, the sellers just dried up. The sellers just dried up. The sellers just dried up. We gotta see, but hey, but we under this point. We gonna see. We gotta see what happens right here. We can move sideways. Hey, we can still move sideways. So I'm gonna try to not. I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna be very careful because we can be ping ponging up and down in this zone. We are in range. I gotta see some rejection, or I gotta see some volatility for this market to even go higher or lower. I don't want to see. It could be Friday and we could be moving up like this the whole time. So we gotta be careful, y'all. Nah, bro, we not doing rap music no more. No more. Let's go. Look at this wick on this 15-minute. What is that? That wick on that 15-minute is nasty, y'all. I'm not liking that. I really ain't liking that. But hey, hey, this could be a short call. Gotta see. Ooh. Let me try for one short. Let's try one short. Let's try one short. I'm gonna gauge the market. I'm gonna gauge the market. I'm gonna put my stop above the highs. All right, let's go. I'm gonna put my stop above this high right here. Let's go. Ooh, let's break. Let's break. Let's go. 1 micro. This is 1 micro. Where's my take profit? My take profit. Let me see. What can I do with TP at? Can we break this area, or are we gonna bounce back up? Man, I gotta see. I'm gonna add. Put my stop a little tighter. Can we break this area? We gotta break this point, man. We gotta break this point. We gotta break this point. Come on. Let's break. Don't reject. Ah. Stay in the trade. Ew, what is this? What in the what in tarnation? Come on, y'all. Where's the rejection? Let's go. Do I need to take out partials? There we go. Hey, come on, reject. That's what I'm talking about. Does trading pay good? And we're gonna find out. We're gonna see by this. We're gonna see by this trade. Does it pay good? We don't know. But this market is volatile. I'll tell you right now. This market is volatile. Respect your trades, guys. What I mean by that is don't switch from your plan. If you say you're gonna risk 277, risk the 277. Right now I'm risking 277. But this market is so volatile. So volatile. We might push up higher. We might not even break this. We're gonna see. Respect your plan, guys. Respect your plan. I'm gonna make my stop a little tighter. I want to risk 180. They're trying to break. Can we get the break? Can we get the break? Can we get the break? Can I get a break? Follow your trade, y'all. This market is volatile. It does not want to give it. Ooh. We are in a key level, y'all. This is a really strong key level. But remember, stay to your trade. Stick to the trade. Even if it stops you out, just accept the loss. All right, pop 100 points for nothing. All right, we stopped out 270. We were stopped out at 270. This market is not trying to give. Stopped that at 270. Could the shorts come back in? How did I get stopped out? Wait, how did I get stopped out when my stop was above? How did I get stopped out when it didn't even tap my stop? Yo, this wow. Hey, get back into the shorts. Yo, it stopped me out for nothing. Wait a minute. I didn't even get stopped. Yo, y'all wildin'. Y'all wildin', bro. Y'all wildin', bro. How you take me out, bro? How you take me out when you would even tap my, when you would even, oh, it did. It just printed, it showed. There it is, look. Man, that's lame. That is so lame. You're lame for that. You're lame for that. This is trading. This is what trading does. It stops you out. That's what it do. Why you do that to me? Why you do that to me, huh? What did I ever do to you? Come on, stop above this high again. For a loss of 87. It is Friday, so we do gotta take our time. Be careful. Can this market break? Will this market break? Really stopped me out. Unbelievable. We are in range. We are playing some strong range, y'all. All right, let's see. Actually, I don't even need that. I don't need that since it's already there. Add one more. Can we get that break? Or we're gonna bounce at this weird level. This is a strong level. Let me see. Can we get a rejection? I'm gonna stay in this trade. I want to hold it. Oh man. This market is highly volatile. Been watching you guys since I was 15. Now I'm 25. Wow, wow, we've been doing it for 10 years? No way. 10 years is crazy. Seriously. 10 years is crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Ooh, is this a pushback to the top to the longs? It don't look like it. Could be. Oh, no, I don't think the dryers are selling up. I mean, the buyers are selling drying up. We're gonna see. I gotta see a rejection at this point. If we don't reject at this point, I'm gonna take off partial. I'm gonna scale out. I don't like that candle. All right, it is Friday. I'm gonna have to take it easy, y'all. All right, I'm gonna get out of this trade. It looks like we're breaking this not seeing no true movement, moving sideways. So we down 423. I have a break even at 1,000. So we're gonna just do a 1,000 loss. Man, I don't like this price action. Oh my goodness, it's like it's waiting for a legitimate. We are in range. We're in range. Ugh. Alright, we just pump higher. Alright, so the 1 hour candle just printed, y'all. 1 hour candle just printed. 1 hour candle just printed. We're gonna see what happens right here. Are we gonna continue to go long? That was really the bounce? Ew. You remember, ooh. This is a long range. I'm not lying, dude. This range is crazy. Sheesh. Can we break this? Are the sellers drying up? Wait up. I mean, are the buyers drying up? We about to go sit on hands and wait till this market hits my level. That's the only way I might see me catching a trade in this market, cause this is nasty. Is this range bound? What is going on? Might have to just take this loss, y'all, and just call it a day. My goodness. What is this? I'm not feeling this. This is not it. Alright, we are range bound, y'all, so we don't. This is definitely not going nowhere. These wicks, huge rejection. Man. If we don't break this 1 hour fair value gap, I'm getting back in this thing. I'm telling you, we gotta break this 1 hour fair value gap. I'm gonna gauge at 1. I'm gonna gauge with 1. Put my stop above the highs for a 70 loss. Are we popping that? You're gonna gauge that? Wow. I just don't see this. I don't see. There's no break through the 1 hour. There's just no break. This is sideways. What are we doing right here? If we break this, I'm going long. If we break this trend line, I'm going long. If we don't break this trend line, I'm going short. All right, I'm about to get stopped out. All right, stopped out. Dang, man. Where are you going? All right, I guess we're going to wait. Just wait for the next trade. Honestly, I think we're going to have to wait because this is... Hey, at least we trying, though, you know? At least we trying, though. We tried. Don't trade chop. Hey, true that. Don't trade chop. Good news. Like that. That's some good advice. That's real good advice. I'll take this off. Is this for the continuation long? It don't look like it. I don't see it. I mean, even though this might be a bounce, but man. Hey, what's up? I don't want to say die brokey, but what's up, man? Good advice. Always don't trade chop. All right, the longs are coming in. It is pushing off. We are pushing off this level. We're pushing. Can we break? Are we gonna break it? It looks like we are breaking it. What's good? Hey, what's good, Deontay? Just down 500. Not too crazy. Should have respected. I should have seen this fair value gap and just respected and took the loans. Had it set, but I was too busy trying to go short. But it looks like long is the play. If we got 1 minute left into the 5-minute prints. How's your day? My day is going good. I ain't gonna lie, my day is going pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Just gonna have to accept that that loss. All right, let's see what we got right here. All right, I'm gonna take this. Dang, this long took off before me. Let's take this long. Let's see what this long may go. Put my stop at the low right here. And I'll add if we have a retracement. I will add if we have a retracement. Previous day high. Can we bounce off previous day high and do a rejection? We gonna see. I'm just being Beyonce. Hey, that's what's up. I forgot about this point. All right, let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna put my stop a little lower just to give myself some room. That 1 hour probably didn't matter. I might have to get rid of that. You know what? I might. Let's see. My computer is laggy. Trophies. Trophied up. My computer is laggy. I'm probably lagging too. If we get a nice pullback, I might add it to this long. Because I'm thinking the shorts do not want to come in yet. It looks like the shorts wasn't ready. But who knows? We're going to see. Man, the volatility is so crazy, I can't even move my computer. Let's see what we got, what we got. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you for the love, man. Appreciate it. I'm doing the best I can. Doing the best I can. Let me change this song. My goodness. Sound like some old school stuff. Are we pushing up higher on 1 micro, y'all? 1 micro. Nice push. I guess the shorts did not want to come in and I forced it. It was choppy. See all these wicks, man? Choppy, indecisiveness. Yeah, for sure. I just didn't see the play like it was. And also, that bounce, man, that bounce was perfect. Nice little bounce. Oh, of course, we didn't break this part, so of course the longs are gonna come in. No shoot, boy. You gotta pay attention. You gotta pay more attention. Gotta pay more attention. Doing research, it came across you, but I swear I know you from somewhere. Where am I from? What can I possibly be from? Alright, y'all, we're gonna make these, we're gonna try to get these profits back. I mean, we're gonna try to get these losses back to break even. If I break even on a day, I'm getting off the computer. But we're gonna try to get our $500 back. Alright, we down 500, but we in the money on this trade. So we're gonna see. Alright. Can this, hope this I no SMT reversal. Let's see. Let me adjust everything. Make sure that I'm not playing myself. And I'm caught into some actual, oh no. Could be. Engulfing pattern. Let me get out this trade. I want to get out this trade. I want to see what happens right here. I don't want to like let it just keep playing out. So we up $10. So we made $10 back. Selling incoming. I knew it. Yeah, for sure. I had a feeling because when I set that zone, I kind of set it right. Man, sometimes that's the trick about this, man. You really can set the zone and it, man, these traps be there. There's all kind of trash. Let me get rid of all these lines, and we're gonna recalibrate. I mean recalibrate, precipitate. All right, we're gonna recalibrate and see, you know, try to restructure ourselves and see where everything is going. Cause it's easy to say, oh, the market can go up, market go down, but we don't know for sure. We gotta see. All right, back to a 4-hour bounce. 4-hour bounce. Even though we passed this, even though we got liquidity a lie above, we might go up to this 4 hours. So we might go long. If we break this, and this is not even a trend. This don't even look like a trend line. You know what? I'm not gonna say, oh, we 15-minute did print, but we didn't break this high. That's okay though. That don't mean nothing. This could be a push higher to the longs. Let me see. All right, KSK says sales are incoming. KSK says sales are incoming, but we're gonna see if these sellers or these buyers gonna dry up for a potential long. We're gonna see. If not, then we might catch the short. We're gonna see. We also got this 1 hour. If we retrace back into this 1 hour, we might continue to go long. But if we break below this 1 hour again, I'm going short. Hey, we got this imbalance. Look, and we also creating a what? What are we creating? Let's see. Let's see, what are we doing? What are we doing? We got a balance below, and we also have this 4 hour above. Imbalance below. Computer, come on, what are you doing? Let's go. All right, so we got this 4 hour above that we could possibly bounce back. We can go into and then short, or we're gonna go short. We gotta see, because this is a key level. We are in some key levels right now. So let me get my computer right if it can start doing whatever it wants. Yo, you're cooking. You're cooking. Oh, that's my computer, bro. My computer. I need to get a new computer. My thing is literally like a spaceship right now, bro. Literally. What time grams I use? The time grams I use is everything. I even use tick charts, transaction on charts. I use everything, bro. Everything. Man, we was on a good 3-day winning streak. Now we down 4. If we can get to break even, I'm getting off. I'm gonna keep that rule. I use almost everything, bro. Weeks, days, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. I use it all just to get that, just to see formation and development. I trade supply and demand and try to throw in a little trend lines here and there with a little pennant or bull flag, bear flag, you know, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. No true indications besides, no true indicators besides VWAP. So did we break VWAP? We broke VWAP. Bounced off. Was that bounce at VWAP? Wait a minute. Nah, sometimes this won't be showing right. Uh-oh. Hold up. Perfect bounce. Let's go. Hey, I shuffle between 5, 15, 30, and 1 hour. I like to look at like the 4 hour and compare it to like the bounces on a 15-minute, right? And I like to look at the 1 hour and compare it to the you know, comparison of the 5-minute. My main is for 1, but I pack track with everything else. Oh, for sure. That's what's up. Hey, yo, we are at a key level right now. We are at a key level for real. We are down 490, but I'm cool with that. We are up. We're still up on the day 1,000. If I get the break even, I'm getting off, man. I'm not about to overtrade. I'm not about to overtrade this. We're not about to overtrade this. Let's see, how much time we have left into the 4 hour? I think we're sweeping highs to go lower. I think so too. We have a 4 hour above our heads right here. Boom. We still got this 4 hour. But man, this area right here is tripping me out. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I like this area, but it's tripping me out. Let me take this off. I think, let me see. Rejection? I don't know. Nah, we're gonna sweep highs. Here comes the sale. You think so? You really think the sale's gonna come in? Off this pivot right here? I don't know. Bing, bing, bing. We'll see. We don't know, man, because this is a lot of error. It's indecisive right now. We're gonna see. Let me see. Let me circle this. Rejection 1. Rejection 2. Rejection 3. Could this be rejection 4? No break. We'll see. It could be the break. It could be a retest, then a bounce back up. We'll see. Also, we have a, let me see. Also, we have a, on a 1 hour, we rejected this 1 hour fair value gap heavy. So you might be right on the shorts. We're going to see, bro. But at the same time, we are not breaking. On a 4 hour, look at that. We bounced at this point right here. That could be an indication of a bounce. Let me go down to a 15-minute. And also on the 15-minute, look at this. Look at the 15-minute. We couldn't break this area right here. See that? We kept rejecting that area. So this can be a retest, go long. We're going to see. You know, it's either or we're going to just ping pong. You know, we could just go sideways. It's just that's what I'm saying. Like, this can be a sideways market unless we know for a fact every time frame has broken, every candle has been, every wick has, you know, it could be a sideways motion. So you could be right long and you could be right short. But the thing is, we could be moving sideways the whole time. The whole time we could be moving sideways. It's just, this is a trick. Ain't know what's crazy? It's Friday. It's not even a heavy news day. So you can be trading no news. And that plays in all in this. Let's see what happens right here. Let's see what happens right here, man. But I like the shorts. I really do. I like what you're saying. Ooh. Hey, come on, man. Boom, boom. Might get a scalp in. Might do some do some minis. Boom. On a 2 minute, 3 minute, let's see. What we doing? Fair value gap. What was this for? What kind of fair value gap was that? I should put the time frame on that. I'm about to get rid of that. Shorts? Buyers selling up. Buyers drying up. We didn't break on a 15-minute. We couldn't pass this high. We tapped into this high, but this can be. You were right on that shorts though, especially on this hammer. Psh. Hey, yes. We're gonna see the price is grinding down. Hey, you right. We're gonna see though. Seven minutes left. 1 hour. Ooh, you might be right. This might be that big rejection right here. All right. Look, this is what we're gonna do. No FOMO, right? We don't have no FOMO. So what we're gonna do is, I want to see a retest below this block. If I see a retest below this block, I'm up 350 ticks. Hopefully I get tagged out for sure. Hey, good job. Hey, nice short. Goodness gracious. That rejection on that point was, man, that was beautiful. Hey, I missed it out, but it's okay though. It's okay though. It's good. We tapped into some of this liquidity. We shot back down. Hey, if we can continue to go shorter and break, I want to see a retest right here. If we can get a retest under this fair value gap, I'm going into the short. Hey, congratulations. Good job, bro. Good job, good job. Good job, y'all. Y'all did good. Good job, bro. I was doing a lot of talking. Yo, those shorts about to come in for sure. Goodness. Look at that 4 hour. 15 minute. Hey. Man, look at that. Man. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Good stuff, y'all. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. I know, right? Especially how we rejected on this 1 hour fair value gap. Man, it's beautiful. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see though. I'm a genius, Harry. Hey, my boy's a genius. Hey, that's what's up, man. My man got brains. My boy got brains. I'm looking at the 4 hour. We swept highs. Yes, we have. We swept enough highs for sure. Yes, we have. For sure. Good looking. In structure changed overnight? What do you mean, in structure? What do you mean? What do you mean, in structure changed overnight? Quake's been cooking up in these trades. Hey, I'm trying, bro. I'm trying, bro. I was doing good the last 3 days, but today I might be just over my head right now. You know, I might be just all over the place. I need to get a new computer though, for sure, because I'm not seeing these trades as fast as y'all seeing it. We are down 490, but that ain't nothing, man. All right, here we are, y'all. We are retesting right back up. So let's see. Are we going to get that retest? Are we going to respect this fair value gap? Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of that. We squeezing for real. Let's see. We're our bearish short term, but bullish long term for sure. I do see a long term bull, but the bears, man, it's like when to get in and when to get out. It almost feels like a see profit, take profit type of day. That's what it feels like to me, because I feel like we're not gonna do a full move on a Friday, which we can. 1 o'clock might come around after lunch, and then we're sweeping. Ooh, let me take this chance. Can we sweep low? Can we have a continuation? Maybe not, because at the same sense of us, even though on the 1 minute that we're below this block, we didn't even break on the 5 minute. We're still above on the 5 minute. Yeah, I might have to get the trade. Those we're bearish. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm watching that 19-215 level, 19-215 level, 19-215 level, 19-215 level. Hey, for sure. 19-215 level for like the liquidity sweep. Let's see. Dang, you might be right too. Hey, you might be right. Oh, we had a strong level too. We're right at this support. We're right at the support. Can we break the support? Yo, if we break the support, bro, my goodness. Yeah, for sure. Let's see. Hey, let's go. Are we just gonna do that little rockiness? Okay, let's see. I'm gonna keep my stop tight, even though we just printed this 5 minute, and then it's like we can still sweep back up and come back down. I think I got in way too early, but I also like this 15 minute though. We might sweep down. Let's see. I'm gonna hold it. You know what? I might add if we sweep some more. If we can get past this point, I might add. If we come right here and reject on this point, I'm gonna add. Ooh. Let's go. Come on, don't start rejecting. Come on. Ooh, this 1 hour, bro. This 1 hour. Like, this is crazy looking. I might add into this trade. Come on, baby. Smart guy, for real. Hey, you for real. That was a good look. You could be looking at these charts so much and be like, oh, you're missing something. You really can. You'll start charting so much strategies everywhere and you'll miss it just like that. Nice, sweet. Let's go. My boy said he looking for that 215 level. Let's get it. He looking for this level right here, y'all, for the sweep. Especially on the 1 hour. Can we get that? For sure. Hey, I'm looking at a 5 minute. Interesting trading marketing. Interesting trading marketing. Hey, Deontay, you funny. Yeah, once you have a bias for the day, things start to yell at you. For sure. Like I could say, oh, daily, yo, it's looking bearish. I mean, it's looking bullish. Right? Man, this could that came down. That probably ain't gonna happen until next week. But this 1 hour though, hey, whoa, here we go. Okay. Look. We got 40 seconds to this 15 minute candle prints. Yes, once you have a bias for the day, things start. Yeah, for sure. Hey, we got 30 seconds to this 15 minute candle prints, and we have not broken yet. Let's see. You know what? Let me look at a 1 hour one more time. I'm gonna get out this trade first. I'm gonna get out this trade. I'm gonna look at this 15 minute. We got 15 seconds to this 15-minute prints. And we still haven't broke this level. It's looking like a see money, take money type of day, y'all, for sure. Cause it's Friday. We don't have no news, nothing to push this market too much anywhere in any direction. Look, we just printed the 15-minute, printed the 5-minute. Let's take this long. Put my stop below. Just for a loss of 300. Let's see. See if we can get a quick push. And if not, then, you know, whatever. For sure. You might be right on that. I like how you thinking. You know what? Let me take out some. Let me take out two. I like how you said that. I like how you said that. That's a good way of looking at it. I like how you said that. For sure. We might wick down and bounce back up. Let's see. We might just get that sweep. I like how you said that, yo. Good looks. Good looks. I'll take the 660 down before I go full port. Are we gonna get that sweep? You know what? Let's go short. Sweep. Let's sweep. Let's see if we get that sweep. And please don't bounce. We might get that sweep. I'll take 2. I'm gonna risk 2 and I'll put my stop above for 100 loss. Above. I'm gonna go above this part right here. Let's get this 15-minute sweep. Can we get a rejection? And if not, then, you know, it is what it is. Come on, sweep, let's go. Everybody do that, like you said, rockiness. Dang, this thing got me everywhere. I ain't gonna lie, I might have to get off, bro. All right, we're about to get stopped out. Stop down 816. Yo, hold up. Look at the 4 hour. Can we pump back up to the highs? Let's see. 4 hour pump. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna go for the long. Like I said, like my original plan. I'm gonna just go long. And if I get stopped out, it is what it is. My initial plan was to go long. So on the 4 hour, I see that we tap back into it a little bit, but we're not tapping into that liquidity at the low. Bro, this song is it's getting me, bro. Getting me. I'm liking this long. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. What do y'all think? Just a quick long for the day? If we come back into this and respect that, I might go in for like full contracts. What's this? What is this fair value gap I put right here? Let me get rid of this. That ain't nothing. That's invalid. Nice long. For sure, me too. This rejection, bro. This is, man. It's just, this might be the loans, bro. It has not given it, but then again, we might come back up and just come down. Like we literally can break and come down. It's the candles, yo. You know what is? You know what's getting me? It's these wicks. It's these wicks. It almost feels as if like it wants to just constantly whipsaw up and down and then finally break down to the shorts. But the long term is long, but I really think we're gonna come down. I'm just trying to see where, and I'm trying to see where I can probably take my profits and get out. I'm on a 5 minute. You're on a 5 minute right now? Alright, yeah. Ooh. 5 minute. Alright, I see it. 5 minute, boom. Did I put a stop? What the heck? I didn't even put a stop. What am I doing? Never play without a stop. Can we respect this on the 5,000 tick chart? Can we get that respect? Dang, this thing is wiki. Wiki, wiki, wiki. Positive vibes. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that rejection. Everybody thought the break was gonna come in, and as soon as that rejection come in, bro, this market is vital, man. It's vicious. Ooh, the rejection always comes in, man. As soon as you add, boom. Even if it was respecting, boom, boom. Take profit at retest. All right. At which point, though? Which point? What would you say? What would you say will be a good point to take profit? Yo, this is a good spot to Oh yeah, for sure. You looking at a what you looking at, a order flow? What are you looking at, a dom? I might take it at what? I think I might take some profits. May take one at 350. Never mind. It's kicking. Honestly, I thought about adding too. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Positive vibes. Let's get it. Rejection. Let's see. I don't like that. Somewhere where the highs are, I would take it under there. I know. I'm just looking for a point where it can take it. I'm trying to see. Because I might add into this trade. I'm adding now. Oh, let's go. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like how that candle didn't print all the way like that. You know what? I'm adding more. I'm gonna add more. Yo, it didn't fill me in. That's cap. That's cap. That's cap. I'm taking that out. That's cap. That's cap. That's cap. I'm gonna put my stop close. I'm gonna put my stop closer. Yo, that's wild. That's wild. It even add more. Yo, that's wild. That's wild, bro. That's crazy, bro. All right, let's take out two. Let's take out two at this one out. Bro, you fill me in all the way up there? Crazy work. You fill me up all the way up there? Crazy work. 1930, 330? Yeah. Bro, man, this market is vicious, bro. But hey, it's not hard at all. Just gotta constantly keep your eye on it. I hope we don't reject this 1 hour, bro. Nah, we're not gonna reject. Nah, we're not gonna reject at all. Nah. 19,330. I already took out partial, so I'm gonna see. I'm gonna keep my top. I'm gonna keep my stop tight though. I'm gonna keep my stop tight though. I'm gonna keep my stop tight. I don't want to put it at break even just yet though. But I'm surprised when I took out 2, it literally felt me like, bro, it put me up like 20 points, bro. Like, come on, really? You put me up 20 points, man. That's what when you start trading these accounts, bro. There we go. Keep pushing, baby. New 5 minute. Hey, thanks for the lookout for sure. Hey, still bullish though. I like this like an upside down. Hey, you know what I was hoping? We have 2 equal lows. I was hoping we didn't make like a head and shoulders pattern, bro. Hey, you see this right here? I was hoping we didn't make a head and shoulders right here. That would have ticked me off. Like, internal fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. We're at 19,335. And let's see, 19,335, 335, 335, 335, 335. On what time frame? Camera's glitch. Hey, thanks for the look up. Thanks for the look. Thanks for the looks. Let's see. Are we on low battery? Bet. Hey, all right. Let me know if the battery go off on my camera because I can't really see it. All right. Let me know. Let me know if the battery goes off. I can switch to the other webcam. And what time frame? Hey, what time frame did you say that you seen the inverse fair value gap at 19,335? Let me see. Where at? What fair value gap? I'm gonna take out. I'm taking out right here. Where at? I don't see it. Hope we ain't making no head and shoulders on this. Oh, right here. Wait. 19,330, 355. My bad. 355. 355. 355 on what time frame? It's battery? Bet. Appreciate y'all. We back on this. Let's get back on this. I'm about to add a new webcam, y'all. Hold on. Give me a sec. It died just now. Bro, why you funny? Yes. Oh, what? Why am I dark? Deactivate. Reactivate. Yes, sir. Backup camera. Let's go. All right, let's get it. Let's configure this thing. Damn, why are things so laggy, y'all? Let's go. Backup cam, let's get it. Webcam, let me get rid of this one. So it might be slowing me down. Stay above our profits. Let's go. Hey, y'all, let's get it. Let's get it. Turn this camera off. It's done. We're done for the day for that one. I had to get a dummy. I might have to get a dummy thing. Let's go, bro. You said you said a 19,355 inverse fair value gap. Where at? On what? On a 5 minute? 15 minute? Where at? Where is that at? I don't really see that. I have know how this stock stuff works. So you gotta wait for the highs and take when not to go low. So this is futures, bro, and we playing highs and lows, but that's just like a whole different idea of what I'm gonna explain it later. Or give me a second. We kind of like just keep watching and keep listening, cause watch the guys in the chat. I'm about to make you guys moderator. Oh, 5 minute fair value gap at 1955. Man, I don't know. I don't treat that as a fair value gap unless I know that it's one side is red candle, one side is green candle. But hey, I'm gonna take your word for it. We also had a 1 hour. We rejected this 1 hour fair value gap though. I like this. I don't know, man. This 1 hour fair value gap, it's cool and all, but we'll see. All right, let's see. Boom. We are pushing high, man. That's a nice candle. Let's see. Boom. 5 minute. He says 5 minute IFG. Bro is calling it 5 minute IFG. Hey, look how we working together, bro. This is dope, bro. For sure. Man, but these candles are green. Very strong bullish candles too, for real. Ooh, 15 minute just print. We couldn't complete. Yo, hey, this is sideways. We're squeezing. We're squeezing. All we doing is see money, take money. See money, take money. See money, take money. I just woke up a few seconds, saw you live, and was like, I have to join. It's been years. Hey, man, that's what's up, Lay. Hey, glad to have you, man. Good job just even waking up and just joining the live. Appreciate that. Thank you for the support. But yeah, we're trading right now. That's all we do now, bro. We trade. All right, so y'all, so you saying this is a 5 minute IFVG? So let's see. And it's gonna determine if we're gonna either go longer or shorter. Let me get rid of this pattern right here, this head and shoulders. We're learning the markets together. Let's go. See if I ain't lagging or nothing. All right, so we are down 494, and that's cool. That is okay. Rejection on the let's see. Could this be a rejection? I ain't getting no confirmation yet. No confirmation, no breaks. No breaks yet. We are rejecting this fair value gap, as he's saying. You know what? I'm gonna add one engage the market. One micro. One above this high of this inverse. Let's see. But we also above this. For a quick scalp? I don't know. Hey, that's what's up, bro. Nah, man, this might be a long play. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. You know what? Let's see. I might reverse and go long. Put my stop below. Got 9 more minutes into this 1 hour prints, y'all. 9 more minutes. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Give me a sec. Had to get a banana. All right, let's see where we're going. All right, y'all, let's see. All right, so we got 7 more minutes into this candle prints. We in range right now. We are in range. Let me look at this 4 hour bounce. I think the move is bigger right here. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna cancel that order. I'm gonna wait. We are down 555. We're trying to get this account back up to break even so I can get off. I'm gonna try not to overtrade. And another thing, I don't want to trade past 11. I'm not trying to trade past 11. All right. It is Friday, though. And we're here hardly have any news, y'all. They were like, what is that noise? All right, what we got? All right, 1 hour. 1 hour closes in 1 hour candle prints in 3 minutes, y'all. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, y'all. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 more minutes until 1 hour candle prints. Hey, give me a second. I'll be right back. Drink some water. Two minutes until this 1 hour candle prints, y'all. 2 minutes. How often do you stream? Almost every day, bro. Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday, bro. Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday, and we definitely are in, man, we are in a nasty range. This day was a see money, take money type of day. See money, take money type of day. Hey, but thanks for the support, y'all. Hey, Deontay, thanks for a W stream, y'all. W stream. Thanks for the support, y'all. I'm glad y'all being even in the chat, just checking it out and sitting around. All right, let's go. All right, let me get rid of these lines. I want to really look at this again. W. Hey, thanks for the support. All that love. All right, let's go. 1 hour prints in 1 minute. 1 hour prints in 1 minute. We still got like 3 hours until the 4 hours, but hey, we're gonna see. I'm about to get rid of all of this stuff. I'm about to get rid of a lot of stuff, y'all. $50 seconds until the 1 hour prints, y'all. 50 seconds. Let's go. Come on, Light. What are you doing? Yo, I used to watch you when I was a kid. You just showed up on my suggested. God bless. Hey, God bless you too. MK. God bless you, bro. We back on that grind, bro. All right, 1 hour. No, 1 hour. 8 seconds to the 1 hour prints, y'all. 8 seconds into the 1 hour prints. W quiz. Hey, I appreciate the love, y'all. Okay, so the 1 hour just printed. Just printed. Just printed. Let's go. That don't mean nothing though. All right, man. Choppy market. See money, see profit, take profit type of day. As soon as I did that, I gotta stop at the low. Tight stop, tight stop. See if we'll pop right here. Man. This market is nothing nice. Let me tell you. Bro. They gotta be like that. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna leave one runner, y'all. Stop at break even, we're down 390. Oh man, talk about trippy. Oh, it was a long trading day. Hey, we trying to grind. Hey, I already knew that short was gonna come in quick. Man, that short be quick to come in as soon as you sell, boy. That's one thing I know about them longs. The longs will come in, guys. The longs would come in, and then all of a sudden, as soon as the longs come in, here come the shorts, here come the sales. Ready to take your money. 100 point drop. Now I think we might push this. Come on, let's push. I'm gonna stay on the 5 minute. This is a good point. This is a strong level. We should be pumping right now. There we go. Let's get past this point. Let's get past this point. Hey, shout out to everybody in the chat. We're doing it. Working hard to get these losses back. Working hard to get these losses back. Oh yeah, make sure y'all use code DGT. Click the link below. Get these accounts 80% off. 80% off. 80%. Let's go. Use code. Yes, sir. Let's go. These codes are cheap and it ends at the end of the month. So make sure y'all do it. Man, look at this. Let's go. KSK, let's go. Where's Die Brokey at? We need him back in the chat. Where you at? There we go. Let's pump. Nice respect on this 1 hour fair value gap. Man, this market has, I know this market has ripped people up and down today. But we're good traders. We're going to do this. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Push. Yeah, like, how did you see that? All right, so, you know, we couldn't push lower. As y'all can see, look at the 4 hour. You see this 4 hour right here? We might shoot back down. Who knows? Look at this 4 hour. We see this right here? This block? It respected this. It respected this. It didn't even go down into this. Okay, makes sense. Hey, my boy here. Hey, that's what's up. All right, so boom, we couldn't break. Look at this. We couldn't even get past this point. We couldn't even break that. Bet, right? Okay. Look at the 30 minute. Look at this area. Look at this. Couldn't even break. Oh, that's the wrong, what you call it? My goodness. No, that's wrong. My bad, y'all. My bad. I'm retarded right now. Couldn't even break. Look at that. Perfect bounce. What y'all see? Perfect bounce. Look at that bounce, right? Should have paid attention. Wicks just coming in for liquidity. Just coming in. Wicks sawing right here. Boom, right? Bet. All right. Sideways. That's cool because it is Friday with no news. I get it. It will do what it want. That 1 hour. Remember that 1 hour? I love that 1 hour was everything to me. Now we could break back down. This not be true, but the reason why I took the trade, I'm just hawking the 5 minute. That 5 minute is golden. This 1 hour right here, this 1 hour is everything to me. From the 1 hour down to a 15 minute. Look at this build up. Yo, it is bouncing perfectly on this 1 hour. I'm loving that. It's still right here on the 5 minute. Look at that. Look at that build up on this block. Boom. Now we might reject. Who knows? We're gonna see. Rejection could come in. But hey, thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday for sure. Shout out to Deontay in the chat, always being so supportive and positive. Let's go. Are we going to reject more or are we going to shoot back up higher? I might add. I just need confirmation. This is confirmation. I just need, man. No FOMO. Just add 2. Add 3. Actually, let me look at a 5 minute. That 5 minute gonna tell me everything. No. No, 14 seconds, 13 seconds. Service with a smile. 13 seconds until 10 seconds until this 5 minute prints. That's why I shouldn't add. This can move sideways again. 5 minutes on a 15. 19 minutes on a 30. Man, these wicks, this looks long. This long bias for real. It looks long bias. Alright. 5 minute just printed. 5 minute just printed. Let's see if we can get any type of ooh. Dang, it's getting volatile. Look how wicked this is. Sideways. No clear breakout. Not just yet. But hey, it's still building up though. Longs was it. Damn. Longs were it. Damn. I knew it. Hey man, God bless, man. God bless. Simple. Which is patience, and execution. We doing it, y'all. Let's keep going. We're gonna hold these. Hey, I will hold this all the way to, let's see. I will hold this all the way to that 4 hour. I am not kidding. I will hold this all the way to that 4 hour. I am not kidding with y'all. Y'all hear me? Could this be a good spot to get back into the longs? Shoot. Let's see. Breakout. Shoot. Give me a rejection. Hey, so I can get in long. Give me a rejection. Respect this area right here. Okay. Hold up. I need to look at some more time frames to make sure that we're respecting that. Boom. Okay, not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Boom. It's straight, it's straight, it's straight. All right, let me look at 5 minute. 5 minute. Yeah, yeah. Okay, 2 minutes just printed. Let me see if we get a retracement. Boom. Man, but also, oh, let's see. Boom, 1 hour. Boom, 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 boom. 1 hour, 5 minutes. 2 minutes in this 5 minute candle. If we clear this on, we are good. If we, yeah, for sure. For sure, for sure. For sure. I just added two. If we stay above this, we stand above this. Let's go. Come on. Give me a, reject another great red candle. Rejection, please. I don't want to take out. There we go. Let's go. Order blocky, 19,375, 19,375, because my boy likes the 5 minute a lot. Let's see. 19,375, 19,375 order block. I mean, yeah, wait, you right. Hey, hold up, wait a minute. But did we tap? We tapped a little bit. You know what? I like how you thinking, my boy. I like how you thinking. Let's push into that. Let's push into that. Yeah, I want to push into that. Let's go. If not, then I'm gonna take off. I'll take off partials. I'll take off partials. Just to be safe. Just to be safe. Just to be safe. Let's go. Come on, push into that. Let's go. Hey, I like what did I say? If we break even, I'm getting off this computer. I can't. Bro, hard work pays off, man. And you know what? Shout out to y'all. Shout out to y'all for even the support, for keeping me on my toes. Thank you, Dibroki. Thank you, KSK. Thank you, Deontay. Thank y'all. Thank you, MK. Thank you, Lay. Thank y'all. Hey, man, y'all keep me on my toes. Y'all keep me on my toes for real. Let's go. Keep me on my toes, man. That's the support, man. That's love, man. You never know. One day we gonna all be rich off this, man. Let's do it. Man, we got this. I like that. I like that order block. Shoot, I might call it a 5 minute, but hey, we might push into it. But we already probably tapped into it enough, though. Nah, man. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah. D-E-N. We ain't doing it, D-E-N. Bro, why you gotta come up in here with that, man? Why you gotta come? Why you gotta do that, man? Why you messing with me? No. Why you gotta do that, bro? Alright. Alright, so you said an order block, fair 5 minute, fair value, 5 minute demand, supply zone, beam bop bam. Please, you gonna push down back into this? Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh, okay, you know what? Thank you. Appreciate the love, support, and love you too. Thank you. Huh? Popeyes? Where? Where Popeyes at? What Popeyes? Kind of hungry now. Are we rejection off this order block? Is this a rejection? It better not be. Come on. We don't need no rejection. We need to be pushing. Oh. Bro, ooh. Ooh. I'm getting out that trade. I'm gonna just say break even on that. All right, that was a good trade. I genuinely like this song. I'm not even trolling. Yo, I just can't do it. You see how heavy don't dang, bro. Gosh, a sell off is so easy, man. Y'all cheat, man. This market crazy. Hey, good shout out, Diabroki. Good shout out, bro. Good shout out because I forgot that 5 minute or that order block was really there. What is a order block? What is a 5 minute? All these are just zones, really. I know everybody might say you wrong. It's like, man, it's just a zone, really. Heavy rejection. The chicken sandwich though. Hey, yeah, definitely that chicken sandwich from Popeyes. Hey, they got on Uber Eats, man. You can buy one get one free for $4.99, $5.99, $4.99, $5.99. They got a man. Uber Eats, bro. They got it on BOGO. Buy one get one free. BOGO. Don't tell me how I know that. I haven't ate one. I just seen it. Okay, I seen the advertisement for it. I seen the ad. You're popular. Your views have over 2,500 views. What in the world? Why did my what the world? What? Hey, why did I get this message? Hold up. Hey yo, check out this message I just got. Yo, follow your rules. Yeah. Never mind. Hey, we're not bringing out flavor no more. DE and you can keep that, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. The Popeye stock about to go crazy. I'm saying, oh, that was a nice little bounce. Popeye stock. Buy one, get one free Popeyes, man. I'm telling you. Also, I love the biscuits. The biscuits with honey. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, hey, after this, I'm gonna go eat. All right, we got to 11. I'm gonna chill with y'all till 11. I'm gonna chill with y'all till 11, man. I'm enjoying myself. I'm a little tired. As y'all can see, I'm a little... But, hey, I don't care. We soldiers, okay? We soldiers out here. We soldiers out here. Follow me on X too. Follow me on X. If y'all have a Twitter, X. Follow me on X. I be posting there like, bro, what? I also love biscuits with honey. What you mean? That's the best. The chickens. You're funny, bro. Oh man, look at that pop. It would have stopped me out just to do that. That's all good though. That's all good. All right, we down 183. I'm not mad at it. I take this. We worked hard. We was down like 700. That's coming out of my pockets, man. I can't do that. Coming out of my pockets. Eating, you trolling. Bruh, chill out, man. Why you do this, man? Why you gotta be like that? Why you gotta be like that? You know what? Just for that, I'm throwing that scripture up. Since you want to play games, bam. All right. Hebrews 4, verse 12. For the word of God is alive and active, sharper than any double-edged sword. All right. His word is strong, man. The wisdom is amazing in the Bible. It's amazing. Nothing in all creation is hidden from God's sight. Everything is uncovered. So don't worry, man. I know that you guys, listen, we all sinners. All right. We all sinners. Don't leave now. We all sinners. But we need of a savior, and that's Jesus Christ. Ain't no point of making yourself perfect. You can't make yourself perfect. You will never be perfect. So live your life for God. Do the best you can. Give your life to God, you know. If you die to yourself and find the spirit, live by the spirit. Try not to live by the flesh. All right, I'm not gonna shove this down y'all throat too much. Hey, I'm just saying, since you want to troll, I'm gonna throw that word so you get off my back. I'm gonna put that word right there. Definitely is the way. Definitely is the way. The way, the truth, and the life, man. Man. Hey, man, I gotta get outside, touch grass. Jesus is king. Yes, he is. I gotta touch grass. I ain't gonna lie. You sat at this computer for so long, you start realizing, like, dang, man, outside is even better. My girl, man, I wonder if she's gonna come back with some Popeyes. I might ask her, see if she can bring some Popeyes. Alright, so what we doing? Are we pushing up higher into this order block? Let's see. Are we gonna keep rejecting it? Man, I swear these charts look familiar, more familiar each day. Crazy. You was very determined when it comes to this to the chat. I try to be, man, what else I'm gonna do? Look, I love spreading the word. I want to spread the word, honestly. I feel like I have to. I love trading. I really do. And I love my supporters. I really love that. I don't know. Just ever since ever since I've been doing YouTube for so long, you want to know something funny? Every time I posted a video, I never checked the comments. Never. Like rarely. I'll be afraid of what y'all might say to me or something. That's why I never watch. Sunlight gives us power like Superman. No cap. No kizzy. Yes, it do. Feels good to go outside, man. Alright. I've been playing the same song a million times over. Something smooth. Ooh. Let's go. That's a little smooth. Why not Batman? Cause he ain't got no superpower. That's why. The man used armor. But Batman cool too. I like Batman. I don't know. You know what? I just don't like Spider-Man. I'm gonna be honest. I don't like Spider-Man. Spider-Man ain't my favorite, bro. I can't. Spider-Man really be. I don't know, man. It's just too many versions. And we pushing higher. Nice. Look at this. Look at this. Bruh, textbook. Look at this. Come on, man. This is simple. Look at that. Look at this block. Look at that wick with this rejection on this red candle. And look at that build up. My goodness, man. Textbook. Trading is not hard. It just once you learn once you get enough screen time, man, just take your trade. Play a song you listen to the most. I really don't listen to no music, bro. I kind of got rid of the rap music and all that R&B. I got rid of it, bro. So I just listen to instrumentals. I'm just on instrumentals because I feel like everything's a clutter. Everything is a clutter, man. I realize when I start playing music, I can't think straight. I don't know what it is. I can't focus. Royce. What about the Joker? Royce. Oh, he said Royce. All right, y'all. Let me put this little block. I'm gonna try to take one more trade. We're gonna take one more trade. We got 30 more minutes on here, and then I'm bouncing off this. I'm about to go give me some Popeyes. I am not lying. Or maybe I am. I don't know. We'll see. If she wants the Popeyes. Yeah, man. It mess with your ego. You gotta listen to some good stuff, man. Really do. Music will mess with your ego. You want to just be a cool person. You don't want to be like in your head thinking that you gotta be cool, man. This world's too chaotic for just anything. What about the Joker and Harley Quinn? Do you love them? Yeah. The Joker's cool. I mean, I don't condone what he do, but shoot, yeah, I like the character. They cool, real cool. I'm not too much of a fan of DC characters. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm not too fond of DC. I like the characters, but hey, movies ain't even all that. To be honest with you. Wow, look at that shoot down. Rejection. Yo, this might be a big rejection. Hey, yo, let's look at this. Look at this. Wait a minute. I like anime more. Interesting. Yeah. Let's play another song. What y'all got going on today? I know y'all watching me, but what do y'all do today? Like what are y'all gonna do today? It's Friday. I know y'all got some plan on a Saturday, maybe Sunday. Like y'all got anything going on? Anything. Me, on the other hand, I gotta watch my kids and go out to the park and play with them at the park. I have plans this weekend. I see a retest maybe. I see a retest too. But we keep respecting this area. You see that respect, man. This might be a shoot back down to the lows. We're gonna see. For sure. Ooh, ooh. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce, man. Goodness. Bounce, bounce, bounce. I'm chilling and relaxing for the whole day. I love that. I love that. I love that. Yes. Chilling, relaxing. Gotta have that peace. Ooh. That was a nice retrace, but man, this market is ugh. You know what's crazy? If we break this, well, we going. Yo, if we break this, look, if we break this resistance right here, KSK and Die Brokey, hey man, we going up. I don't care if we had news or not today. If we break this, look, if we really break this zone, bro, it's over with. It's over with. We going to the tippy tizza. Yeah. My lurking. Ooh, look at that rejection. Oh my goodness. We're going for that liquidity. Hey, yo. We're gonna see. Man, this is a volatile market. With your I'll probably have to wait till Monday to trade. I might take my little 180 and call it a day. This is what we're gonna do. Look, this is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. I might lock out. I might lock out. Do you still do vlogs? Nah. What am I vlog about? You know? And then I gotta stop showing my family, man. Like who wanna keep showing their family online? Man, they got so many different people out here, you know? So I just wanna keep my family safe. But nah, I don't vlog. Like what would I vlog? What, me going to the store, buying a car, buying a house at the park, then do a bunch of edits and transitions to get you entertained. Man, I'd rather spread that word, honestly. It's just a lot of work. You know, imagine you vlogging, right? Look, I can show you right now. Watch this. Watch this. I got you. I'm gonna still trade a little bit. Watch this. What's up, y'all? Hey, look, we at the park. Hey, look, hey, say hey to the camera. All right, hey, okay, look, that, ha. You doing that all day, right? You ain't got no time for yourself. Unless you had a cameraman, you know, if you had a cameraman, that's different. Man, that gets exhausting, bro. Any YouTuber, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest with you. Every YouTuber, I promise you, bro, I've done videos where I've argued, didn't want to do it. When I yelled, I was like, man, I don't want to do this shit. I don't want to do it. I'm telling you, every YouTuber, I don't care what they say, bro. I've been in this game for 6-7 years when it comes to YouTube. Come on, I've been around a lot of YouTubers. People be mad that they gotta do a video and they gotta force themselves to do it because they get tired of gotta put themselves in front of the camera. I promise you. Now, you got people that like being in front of the camera because the views are really, it's really adjusting their mind. But when stuff hit the fan and they're not making the views, or it's not doing as good, or the money ain't doing good, trust me, bro, people are frustrated. I promise you, it is tough keeping that camera in your face. Try it for a week and you come back to me, you tell me if it's easy. Walking around with a camera all day into Target, walking around with a camera all day in the car. You know what I'm saying? In your house. Like, it's tough, man. That's work. You can work a 9 to 5, but imagine you gotta keep being creative to talk. What are you gonna talk about the whole time? Like, what tell me, give me a whole rundown on what we're gonna talk about. It's impossible. You really could. That's why they be yapping so much. Like you say, KSK, right? They yapping. They like, yo, look at this. Oh, I'm about to do this. I'm about to surprise her. I'm about to surprise him. Oh, I'm about to prank him. I'm about to prank her. It gets played out. It's not even genuine no more. Oh, y'all want to know another thing? Hey, I don't want to ever expose this, but there is a secret that if you ever did YouTube, that I know everybody does, and I'm not gonna say it, but I'm gonna save it to myself because that's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna break it'll break the whole internet, bro. But nobody wouldn't even watch. They wouldn't believe it. Anyways, vlogs, no, bro. It's not even worth it. It's just showboating, egotistic, alter ego. Nah, it's not even worth it. I don't know if I ever had it like that again. I would never show it off again. I'm not doing that. That's just so not it no more. Man, we come from different times. All right, we're rejecting. What? Hey, say it. Hey, if you think you know, say it in the chat. If you think you know, hey, say it in the chat. If you think you know what it is, well, what I mean by everything, what everybody does, let me know, and I'll tell you the truth. I'll tell you the truth. I'll be honest with you. I'll be honest with you. You know what? I'm not even gonna be a liar. Who's Casper Method? Huh? What is that? Casper Method? What are you talking about? Alright, we are moving sideways. What is that? Casper Method? Yo, this market is indecisive at this point, ain't it? There goes my family. Oh my goodness. Why is he so loud? You about to whoop him for real? Crazy word. Yeah. He being bad. He about to get whooping. I'm about to get off this trade. My family. Yeah, life change. You probably don't know him. He said make 30-minute videos to an hour of buying a car and yapping, etc. No, I never heard of him. Well, all right, y'all. Look, I'm about to go ahead and end this live. Cause my son is he not doing all right. But look, I enjoyed it with y'all, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I really enjoyed it with y'all. I hope y'all really enjoyed this live. Make sure that you know y'all chill out, recoup, and you know just give yourself some time today and reevaluate your life and think about all your decisions by giving it to God. I want to make sure y'all do that. What, man? What you want? Oh, never mind. Y'all, hey, he been wanting to see you, but here you go.
Oh, I look crazy. I just came from the gym. So we're down today, 200.
Yeah, I'm gonna just take it and get over.
Volatile market.
Sideways market. No news, and it's Friday.
It's okay to take a loss today.
But anyways, y'all look. Make sure. Oh, we are bright as heck. Make sure y'all give it to the Lord in all your ways. Give it to Him. And I'm about to get off. We are bright on this screen. I love y'all, and thanks for the support. And I'll see y'all in the next show. I'll see y'all Monday. See y'all next time. All right. All right.